gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own.
This is Volts breaking news, and Lotus has raised the bar once again with the unveiling of the Evija X. This track-focused monster is not just an iteration but a leap forward in performance. Spotted numerous times testing at the infamous Nürburgring, the Evija X has set the track on fire. Oh, God. How exciting. Clocking an astonishing lap time of 6 minutes and 24 seconds. To put that into some perspective, it's only surpassed by the likes of the Volkswagen ID.R and the Porsche 919 Evo. What makes this achievement even more remarkable is that unlike its competitors, the Lotus Evija X is built on the same chassis as its road-going counterpart. This means it retains the essence of a road car whilst pushing the boundaries of track performance. Under the sleek carbon fibre skin lies a 70 kilowatt-hour battery powering 4 electric motors, generating a mind-blowing 2011 horsepower and 1,704 Newton meters of torque. Despite its aggressive aerodynamics, the Evija X maintains a top speed of 217 miles an hour, identical to its predecessor. Now let's talk about its appearance. The Lotus Evija X isn't just about raw power, it's a visual spectacle too. With carbon brake discs, a swan-neck rear wing and Pirelli slick tyres, it's engineered to dominate the track. Oh, and did I mention the removal of headlights for weight reduction? You ain't seeing shit! While Lotus has not yet confirmed whether the Evija X will hit production lines, one thing is for sure. If it does, it'll be a rare gem, destined to command a hefty price tag. With the standard Evija already priced at $2 million, who knows how much the X will command? So are you impressed by the Evija X? Let us know in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe for more!